Okay, let's see how we can clone a project in IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the widely used IDE for development, mostly in Java, Android, and other stuff. So let's go to GitHub. So go to any of the repository which you want to clone. Let's say I'll clone this project one. Click on code, copy the HTTP link. Once you copy the link, you go to IntelliJ. We minimize this, and once you come here, you can click on Files, New, Project from Version Control. Paste on the link in the URL section. Click on Clone, and if you see in the bottom, it's cloning the project. Once it is done, you trust the project and the owner. Okay, and it will open the project for you. Thanks, guys.